This is your boy Bobby's RC's back with another video about RC cars and trucks. Let's get right into the video, guys. This little bike thing right here, and ain't that supposed to be tight? Because when I pull up on it, it pulls up. See, look. Is that right or not? Because I done everything right that I was supposed to. I followed the directions. But I'm just wondering if this is supposed to be tight, or does it do that? So when you pull up, but when you push down on it, it fits right into the thing. But when you pull up, it moves. Is that little bike thing right or not? Leave comments below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for updates when I upload a video on YouTube, so y'all can be the first to get notified to watch my video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Until next time. But I still gotta hook all this stuff up sometime, not today. I still need to put my receiver in it and stuff. My ESC, and I need a motor. But anyway, I like it, have it turned out. Well, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Until next time.